Today we will talk about three types of digital modulation methods: amplitude shift keying, frequency shift keying, and phase shift keying. Let's see how each digital modulation method works. Suppose we have these digital signals in zeros and ones. Here is the carrier wave we will use to send these digital signals. First, let's see how ASK works. ASK is the modulation method where the digital signals change the amplitude of the carrier wave. If the digital signal value is 1, then the carrier wave amplitude remains the same. When the digital signal value is 0, the amplitude of carrier wave is much weaker. Frequency shift keying is the digital modulation technique in which the frequency of the carrier wave changes with the digital signals. We can see when digital binary value is 1, the frequency of a carrier wave is higher. When binary value is 0, the frequency of a carrier wave would become lower. Here is another example. On the left side are digital signals. On the right side is a carrier wave. The modulated wave demonstrates how digital signals modulate or change the carrier wave. PSK is a digital modulation process which transmits data by changing the phase of a constant frequency of the carrier wave. We can see from the animation the frequency and amplitude of the carrier wave remain the same. Only change is phase. Specifically, phase changes at the point where the binary value 1 changes to binary value 0 or where 0 changes to 1. I replay this animation again. Please pay attention to the turning points where the arrow flashes. Let's zoom in to look closely when input bit changes from 1 to 0, for example. When the bit value is 1, the wave travels like this. But at the moment when the binary value changes to 0, the wave changes its direction. It stops going up and starts going down.